Trinidad, I have a public service announcement. I am here. Trinidad, you're stuck with me for now. Give me another 2 days in your beautiful country. Gonna film some more. I still have.
Yeah. Go on, mute, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute, yeah, star. Only per pressure, I'm a corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, on the journey so far.
Welcome everyone, this is O. For all the people across the world or people in Trinidad that supports Christmas List, as you know, he's an independent journalist and has been unjustly detained by police in Trinidad, Port of Spain since May 28. In response, Christmas List family has created a petition to garner support for his release. I will put the link to the petition in my video description and also pin it in the comment section. These two ladies are people who have already signed the petition. Listen to what they have to say.
Free you, Christmas List. I stand with you. There's power in our voices.
I have been watching Christmas List for the last 2 years since he went to Kenya. I think it was in 2022. Yeah, and I've watched some of his vlogs. I see nothing wrong with his vlogs. I don't believe that Chris belongs to behind bars. He visited my country of origin, the country of Kenya, and he did similar vlogs. I have not seen any issue or any problem with them.
If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Let me read the details and the reason of the petition. So it says, attention, this announcement is from Christmas List family. Christmas List has been held by police in Trinidad, Port of Spain since May 28 and is not being released. They have no reason to hold him. They do not allow a lawyer present during questioning whatsoever and have his hands locked through this time. They want to keep him for another 4 days or more and have no reason to. We have been in touch with a lawyer in Trinidad who is representing him, but they are not giving him the opportunity to have him present to assist Chris further. Global affairs in Canada and Trinidad are involved. Now they updated the petition and this is what they say. Hello everyone, as an update, we are currently working around the clock with the authorities and global affairs in Canada and Trinidad. We appreciate all of your support and outreach. At this time, there will be no back and forth messages to provide further detailed responses as we are primarily focusing our energy on this matter at hand, but we are at hard work to ensure progress. We kindly ask refrain in contacting embassy and global affairs as to allow us to continue our progress without interruption to the team assisting us at this time and not interrupting or interfere with the progress. We thank you for your kind words and understanding. Our family and the people we are working with closely require privacy at this time and we need time to put our efforts and focus into getting Chris out safely. Thank you. Now, some people are saying, where was this outrage when Christmas List went to other countries and similar situation happened? Well, for me personally, I knew about Christmas List ever since he started doing videos in Trinidad. And you know, I have love for Trinidad and the people there. Hence why I'm addressing this situation. Yeah, Christmas List is known for his fair and balanced reporting as he traveled the world to bring attention to the struggles of marginalized communities, often putting himself in danger to present all sides of the stories that would have otherwise been untold. That's what we call untold stories. Answer me this: why is Trinidad and Tobago police so hell-bent on imprisoning a journalist who merely sheds light on pre-existing issues rather than addressing the root cause themselves within the country? As I said before, the government of Trinidad and the police needs to redirect its focus away from imprisoning a journalist who simply just highlight existing struggles within the country, because Christmas List did not create these issues. He merely sheds light on them. His work aims to bring attention to the real-life challenges faced by marginalized communities, offering a platform for their voice to be heard. By detaining him, the authorities are not addressing the root cause of the problem, but are instead pushing someone who thrives to bring awareness and understanding to their current plight. They should be more focusing on solving the country's needs. I've also said that what Christmas List has managed to do throughout his YouTube career is not something you see very often, constantly putting himself in dangerous situation to present the perspectives of these people labeled as gang members. Now, Christmas List global travels and dedication to hearing all the sides of the story demonstrate his commitment to truthful and impactful journalism. We should all appreciate what he has done and what he continues to do. Trinidad police and government are threatened by the trust Christmas List has built with marginalized communities in Trinidad. This also just goes to show how important it is to remain fair and independent as Christmas List has. Trinidad has the opportunity to release Christmas List and avoid escalating this into a larger international issue. If they continue to detain him, it will only grow and draw more negative attention to the country and its handling of the entire situation. Let me know in the comment section if you think it is in the best interest of Trinidad to allow Christmas List to return to his family. I would also like to know how other media outlets feel about his detention. Does it set a dangerous precedent for how journalists are treated in the country? Is this stifling free speech and flow of information? Because this is bigger than just one aspect of what they claim, other gangs sending threats allegedly through his platform. So again, the main purpose of this video to support Christmas List and advocate for his release. Please join the community and the movement by signing the petition. The links is provided in the video description and also the comment section. Your participation can help bring awareness to the injustice and pressure the authorities to act swiftly and justly. Let me leave you with a video of Christmas List and his friends discussing their love for Haiti and Haiti food and and stuff like that.
Started coming here 40 years ago. And, with the situation, what it is, and everything that's happening, it's...
Man, Haiti, what's happening in Haiti right now is just it's heartbreaking. Because the people I met in Haiti, I'll put it this way, the people I met were incredible. They want work, they want peace, but there's a small percentage of them that want chaos. But poverty is spurring that chaos. Because I even met gang members that I would say are nice people that were put in such a horrible position that they had to take arms. And nowhere in the world have I ever said that, because like when I meet American gangsters, I'm like, man, you idiots, you have options.
Yeah.
In Haiti, the way I saw it is like, if there's not a certain number of gangsters in the area, every house is burning down.
Wow.
It's almost like they're soldiers for their neighborhood. And a lot of people are not going to agree with me, but until you've stepped foot into Haiti, the slums of Haiti, you will never understand what they've gone through. Right? So being here is second best. Right now is not the right time to be in Haiti.
No, definitely not.
But
Yeah, I was planning a trip and then this happened. I was like, oh God.
Yeah.
And everything's done. I mean, no airport. This is like, it's a complicated situation.
There's always ways to get in.
It's
as a
complicated.
Alright, so that was it for today. Actually, Christmas List should appear in court today to hear what will happen in his case. And if he's released, just know I will give you an update. Or if he's not released, then I will also try and give you an update on that. And, everything that is going on. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the subscribe. Thanks for the views. Thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe and also share the video with your friends and family. Alright?
Peace, but there's a small percentage of them that want chaos. But